Hi folks, welcome back. We're going to try something a little bit different this week. We're going to take you behind the scenes of a typical week here in the workshop at Hero Motor Company. We've got some great cars in this week. We've got a GT3 RS in for a service. We've got an E46 M3 CSL to photograph, ready to go up for sale on the website. And if you stick around to the end, we're going to be starting up the RS500 Sierra Cosworth for the first time in probably around 2 years. So, I hope you enjoy it. See you there. Yeah. Service time for the Porsche 997 GT3, affectionately known as Roadrunner, this one, for obvious reasons of Wile E. Coyote and Roadrunner. And I think this must be probably one of the most used GT3 RSs in the world.
Oh yeah, the amount of trash.
You think
Germany and back?
Oh yeah, easily. You think most of these just get used for the occasional track day and bombing around town?
They get trailered to the track day and then bombed around.
Yeah.
This one's driven to the Nürburgring, then driven around it and driven back.
I think in one trip he drove to Austria, Croatia, through Germany, France, Switzerland, back to Germany for a second trip around the Nürburgring. So yeah, it gets used. So yeah, oil service today, and we've got this pair of new Pilot Sport cups to go on this as well, which are just gargantuan. Look at these. Look at these. The size of those. Madness. And also, new mechanic coming in today. So we've got to finish up in this corner, and then we've got to move this new toolbox into place. Has that presented certain problems?
What?
Having it, I asked him to put it this way around for aesthetic purposes for the video, and I feel it might be slightly hindering your efforts.
No, it's fine. I'll do it a quarter inch at a time.
Because of course the GT3 RS is slightly too low to get on the ramp by conventional means. So, right, let's flip this camera around because this is a very unwieldy setup. Actually, whilst Nathan's setting that up, let's take a look at what else is going on in the workshop. And in Raymond's corner, the 20,000 mile RS500 Sierra Cosworth. Absolutely wicked car, still on its original paint, which is amazing. Very dusty at the moment. We don't really dare clean it with a cloth in here, so it's going to stay dusty until we can get it outside and wash it down properly. Try and look after that original paint or anything else, but the engine's been rebuilt and is now back in situ. And it's just a case of working through all the electrics, all the plumbing, getting all the cables and hoses put back in where they should be. Now it's going to be a really, really awesome car. Let's check out the interior on this. It is absolutely phenomenal condition. You know, one thing they don't tell you about this whole vlogging thing, it's really difficult not to look at the screen.
Yeah, you have to look at the
It's really difficult. I feel like a parakeet or something. Just sort of look at it going, oh hey there. What's happening? So that's the new one we just about to put in.
Yeah.
Oh, I would think so. Yeah.
dry sump, it has two, come on,
So we've got two.
two sump nuts here on the dry sump.
What's the dry sump?
So normal cars, all your oil is stored in your sump, which sits usually on the bottom of the engine here in the crank. But because these engines are flat, they're very low down, so if it had a sump, it would probably sit about here and just hit everything. So instead they run an oil tank separate over here, so the oil is always flowing around the whole engine and it's not just sat at the bottom, essentially.
The more you know.
That's it in basic terms.
Alright, let's drain some fluids. The good news is I got that on camera.
Oh. New ramp.
It's brand new workspace, covered in oil.
Here it is. It's just covered in coolant, oil and brake fluid.
I feel that will probably make him feel very well.
To be fair, coming from Land Rover here.
As he's been working on Land Rover, hasn't he? So
Yeah,
should
he'll
be used to it covered in oil.
Oh yeah.
Sump's back in. New mechanic Nick.
Glory rest
What you cleaning?
just the oil filter housing. It's full of old oil that I don't want going in the new filter. Ow. Finger. You think it'd be a bit different for such a high performance car? Very basic.
You kind of want it to feel metally and heavy.
Yeah, you want to feel.
Fresh juice.
Thirsty. Drink.
Just thirsty. Cakey Friday. Let's go. Unveil the cake.
Got to unwrap all the cake first.
You're not filming it, are you?
Oh yeah.
It's going in the vlog.
Really?
People need to know that they need to bring us cake.
Homemade,
Preferably homemade.
How did your training go yesterday?
shit, I'm so tired.
Really?
So yeah, it was 3 sets of 8 at 85 kilos.
85.
Teresa's a strong woman. Katie. Who's going first?
Well, I'll cut a slice off.
If you can cut a morsel that can be held with one hand. Thank you. Focus. Focus. There we go. No.
There we go.
Fluffy. Fluffy cake.
Are we back to my normal standards?
Fluffy cake.
Mm.
Why are you speeding up?
You're wasting away, aren't you? So yeah, normal standard, normal service resumed.
Puppy.
Awesome.
Coke. Essential M&S slicing machine. Other shops are available.
They're not sponsored by them.
Yeah, I think we sent him with one in the glove box in case he got into trouble in Austria or Croatia or Italy or... What's the torque setting on a Porsche centre lock?
Over 400. Yeah.
Is that a lot?
Yeah.
Just for the less mechanically inclined viewers, that's...
Put it into normal, but the normal singular wheel nut is 110.
Ray, Nathan broke the thingy.
Okay, I spotted that and I will replace both. Because they are on the edge here, they're about this edge, they're about 2mm, 3mm, which you can do it on track.
That's the GT3 RS tyres fitted. They're a bit too big for our machine, so we have to use someone else for that, but that's fine. A bit of a road trip and heading back to base, and we can finish up that job for now. So new rear tyres that yours truly took down the road to get fitted are now on. Just as well, really, it turned out there was a nail in one of them, so and a warranted change in the set.
What were you going to say, changed by yours truly?
Well, yeah, obviously I did it.
Oh, you know.
Carrying this place, what am I on about? Wasn't for me getting in the way all the time. You guys might be in danger of getting some work done.
Yeah.
Well, welcome back. It's photography day. It's a Friday, so we're gonna have a bit of a chill day today, really, I think, and get this car photographed. So we got to start with emptying out the top half of this hangar, moving all these cars out, sweep the floors, clean the walls, and we are shooting a E46 M3 CSL. Not this one, a different one, but it's still it's gonna be a cool car. Not often those actually come up for sale, so I think we'll get all the keys we need, get the doors open. It's a bit cold up here, hence the fashionable neck scarf today. Alright, most of the prep almost done. This floor is clean. Apart from one car that decided to make a bit of a mess on my clean wall. Ruined it. But we'll clean that off, and I think we might have to throw a black cover on this CSL as well, because bright orange colours and reflections, they don't play very nicely. So let's do that first, and then get the CSL in here, and we'll start shooting. Right, so tread plates are on. We'll just give it a quick zhuzh over and do final positioning, and then we can start shooting. Get it done. So. Well, all done on another shoot. This will probably be live on the website by the time you see this video, so You'll get to see the pictures before I do, no doubt. Yeah, cool car. Really like it. Right, let's tidy up and get everything back in here, shall we? So this is what could be the first start of this Sierra in, well, I've never heard it run. Yeah, I've been here a year and 2-3 months, and I've never heard this car run, so we've just done the priming stage, is that right? That means priming, I don't know what it means. This is educational is what this, this channel is all about. So loud, that's the exhaust. Little bit smoky in there. Just trying to air it out. So no exhaust on that car, so just the manifold and the downpipe are on there. As I was saying in there, I don't know if you could hear me at all. That's probably the first time this car has run in quite a while. I've been here for a year and 3 months or so, and I've never heard it run in my time. I think we were all too scared to start it, just because we didn't know the condition of the belts and what that would do to the engine. Exciting. It's been a long time coming, really. Well, it sounds good. Is that just burning oil residue from the driver? Yeah. Pleased? Other than being choked out, smoked out?
It's running.
That's good.
I'll be pleased when Steve comes out there alive.
Steve got that chance.